नमस्ते।
नमस्ते सर।
हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया।
थैंक यू सर।
How then could physicians, despite of all these facts and testimonies, close their eyes and ears to the truth that the whole venereal disease was already developed within before the cancer could appear? Yesterday we understood properly how Shankar develops. Before developing the local symptom, there is a process of internal development in all our body. After that, vital force throw out these miasm on the external part of the body. It is not just like that person getting infection and after that as soon as early getting the local manifestation of that miasm. So before developing the local symptoms of miasm, there is a whole development of miasm in the body, right? Before the Shankar could appear, and that it was the most unpardonable mistake to forward the certain outbreak of the syphilis already present within into the venereal disease by driving away and destroying the Shankar by external means. But now, allopathic physician thinks about that is not the internal link of syphilitic miasm, just to destroy and remove forcefully, and they thought that I cured the syphilitic disease, cured the venereal disease. That's the only simple way to understand this venereal disease by allopathic physicians. What Dr. Hahnemann says about these methods of treatment, that is unpardonable treatment. इसको माफ नहीं किया जा सकता है. The disease is not cured except when through the effect of the internal remedy alone. The Shankar is when through the effect of the internal remedy alone the Shankar is cured, but it is fully extinguished as soon as through the action of the internally operating medicine. So Dr. Hahnemann clearly mentioned here that only we can cure this syphilitic miasm, syphilitic diseases through the internal administration of remedy. If we applied only externally some medication, then we are wrong. Without internal administration of the remedy, we can't cure syphilitic diseases, syphilitic miasms. So here only we are talking just about the local appearance. Local appearance, Shankar, Bubo, impure ulceration. We are talking only about these things. Allopathic physicians think about just to remove by some external application of medicines, and they thought that they cured the disease, but it does not like happen. Are you getting my point? But whenever anyone is so imprudent as to destroy this vicarious local symptoms, the organism is ready to cause the internal syphilis to break out into the venereal disease. Since the general venereal disease dwells in the body from the first moment of infection. Here a word is used by Hahnemann, imprudent. What is the meaning of imprudent? Imprudent word is related to unintelligence. This word related to allopathic physicians. What is the main concern behind it? To indicate allopathic physician, that is unintelligency, because they did not perceive the whole process of syphilitic miasm, development of syphilitic miasm. They just consider that is the some local eruption on the external part of the body and just remove it. And everything will be all right. But it does not happen like this, because these syphilitic local eruptions are developed first at the internal level of the body. After that, it appears on the skin. Is that clear or not? What have you understand? Just tell me. Speak loudly. Yes, yes, yes.
लोकल सिम्टम्स डेवलप होते हैं उसको एलोपैथिक फिजिशियन एक्सटर्नली रिमूव कर देते हैं बाय कटिंग कॉटराइजेशन.
Just there is only understanding from a allopathic physician, from a homeopathic physician. Dr. Hiniman just convince us about the approach of allopathic physician. Approach of allopathic physician to treat these syphilitic eruptions only. And Dr. Hennigan tried to convince that it does not happen like this. So, only we have to treat these eruptions, we have to use some internal medication. Sit down, very good. For in the spot into which at the impure ocean the syphilitic miasm had been first rubbed in and had been caught, it is in the same moment no more local. So there is no scope for local eruptions or local excretions on the body. Because why? Because whole body involvement takes place before the beginning of any local symptoms. Are you getting this point? The miasm has already become the property of the whole organism. All washing off, wiping off, however speedy and with whatever fluid this be done, is too late, is in vain. मतलब जितनी भी आप उसको वॉश कर लो, कितना भी केमिकल है या डिसइंफेक्टेंट है, उसको हम यूज नहीं करें, देयर इज नो बेनिफिट. इन्फेक्शन हो चुका है. There is not to be perceived indeed any morbid transmutation in that spot during the first days, but the specific venereal transformation takes place in the internal of the body irresistibly from the first moment of infection until syphilis has developed itself throughout the whole body, and only then nature, loaded down by the internal malady, brings forth the local symptom peculiar to this malady, the chancre, usually in the place first infected, and this symptom is intended by nature to soothe the internal completed malady. So what happened in this paragraph? That is, chancre develops on the skin. All washing useless because infection is so severe, so strong. Any washing and cleaning are not effective or not protect to get infection. Are you getting this point? There is not to be perceived indeed any morbid transmutation. Transmutation meaning is transformation, changeability. In that spot during the first days, but the specific venereal transformation takes place in the internal of the body irresistibly from the first moment of infection until syphilis has developed. Yesterday we talking about days. How many days required to develop the local symptom? That is 7 to 14 days. This process of developing the chancre that takes the 17 to 14 days at the moment of the infection. Clear? Therefore, the cure of the venereal disease is effected most easily and in the most convincing manner so long as the chancre has not yet been driven out by local application, so long as the chancre still remains unchanged as a vicarious symptom. Now, what is the vicarious symptom? Just wait. Priyanka, what is vicarious symptom? Next. Chancre plays a role of vicarious symptom. Have you taken breakfast? Sure. Are you not able to listen properly? I think your energy level is good. Low. Speak loudly.
To save our internal organ and throughout
Yes, very
external.
good. To save our internal vital organs, so vital force throws out the symptoms, yeah, toxins, anything else we can say. Miasms are toxic material. Try to throw out on the least important organ. So skin is least important organ. So chancre here, chancre is a vicarious symptom. Chancre eruptions. So this term is applicable in all miasms. In this state, and especially when it is not yet complicated with psora, it may be asserted from manifold experience and with good reason that there is on earth no chronic miasm, no chronic disease springing from a miasm which is more curable and more easily curable than this. This line is very important in reference to when miasmatic influence limited to external part of the body, then it can be easily cured. When not complicated with psora, we can surely cure this miasmatic influence. But when it combined with psora and when it goes deep in our body at internal level, then these diseases are most difficult to cure. Are you with me? समझ में आ रहा है? जब तक डिजीज स्किन पे है मौजूद बाहर ही तौर पे, तब तक हम उसको इजीली ठीक कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? Now in the first case, when syphilitic eruptions present but there is no complication with psora, when syphilis is still alone and attended with its associated local symptoms. First point. In this point, first simple state and simple cure. Means in this point, syphilitic eruptions or syphilitic miasms are in a simple form because there is no mixing up with other miasm and there is no secondary symptom of the syphilis. Only primary manifestations there. When the chancre is still present and there is no complication with a developed psora, no prominent chronic ailment from a psoric origin, and with latent psora, syphilis combines as little as psychosis. In this first state, it needs only one little dose of the best mercurial remedy. In this stage, first stage, we can easily cured and controlled by some mercurial preparation. Means mercurial preparation पे हमें नहीं जाना है, सिर्फ only anti-syphilitic remedies. And mercury is a great anti-syphilitic remedy. Are you getting this point? In order to cure thoroughly and forever the whole syphilis with its chancre within 14 days. You can cure within 14 days after giving the anti-syphilitic remedy. In a few days after taking such a dose of mercury, what happens after giving the mercury? That is, the chancre becomes a clean sore with a little mild pulse and heals of itself as a convincing proof that the venereal malady is also fully extinguished within, and it does not leave behind the least scar or the least spot showing any other color than the other healthy skin. Means after giving the medicine, the chancre will be dry up and changes into some little scar, and after some time scar takes the normal color of the skin. So whole process takes a 14 days or period. The terms and conditions are applied, that is patient come to us at first stage, that is the terms and condition. But unfortunately patient does not come at this stage, go to the allopathic doctor and destroy all these things. But the chancre, here we have to give internal administration of mercury or antisyphilitic remedy. But the chancre which is not treated with external application would never heal if the internal syphilis had not been already annihilated and extinguished by the dose of mercury. For so long as it exists in its place, it is the natural and unmistakable proof of even the least remainder of an existing syphilis. So what happened here? That which is not treated with external application means here the syphilitic eruptions are in a very pure form. Pure form in the sense we can understand by some example. Suppose in our clinics many patients comes to us. Some patients come directly to homeopathic physician. Some patients come indirectly, taking lots of treatment from allopathic, ayurvedic. So there is no purity of the symptoms. There is no purity of the symptoms if patient comes directly to us and taking treatment. So then there is no interminglation of the drug symptom or the disease symptoms. Everything will be in a pure form. जो symptoms हैं वो हमारे सामने pure form में मिलेंगे. Means if these external eruptions or chancre are not treated by any external means, then it is very good for us. We can cure more fastly, more rapidly than treated by external applications. Are you getting my point? Just as the continued presence of the chancre during the cure shows the continued presence of syphilis, so when the chancre heal merely from the internally applied mercury without any addition of a remedy used for the local symptom, and yet this disappears without leaving any trace of its former presence, it is incontrovertibly sure that also every trace of the internal syphilis was extinguished at the moment of the completion of the cure of the chancre or the before. So in this paragraph there is some surety that our medicine extinguish syphilitic stigma. That is, the scar should be in normal, healthy, normal skin color. After giving the mercurial filtration, the color of scar should be in a healthy skin color. If there is some difference in the color of the scar with the normal skin, then we can say that is some syphilitic stigma are present in the body. Clear? What do you understand by this? What is the sure? How we convince ourselves or sure about your syphilitic stigma? Just tell me. और रचिता, yes.
सर जो स्कार का कलर है वो हेल्दी स्किन कलर में चेंजेस हो जाए,
हो जाना चाहिए. Sit down, very good. Sit down. But just as incontrovertibly, does it follow that every disappearance of the chancre point to a near local destruction, since it was no real cure founded on the extirpation? Extirpation means removing from the root, जड़ से मिटा देना, of the internal venereal disease through the internally given appropriate mercury medicine leaves to us the certainty that the syphilis remains behind, and everyone who supposes himself healed by any such merely local pretended cure is to be considered as much venereally diseased as he was before the destruction of the chancre. So, I just explained here. That is, incontrovertibly, does it follow that every disappearance of the chancre owing to a mere local destruction, since it was no real cure? If we try to remove these external appearance of miasm forcefully, then there is no cure. Only removing the local symptom of the syphilis.